Today you will be learning how you can easily update Instagram to the latest version. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all you will have to head over to the settings of your phone like this. Now you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find apps section. After that you'll have to click on apps. Now once you're on this page you'll have to scroll down all the way and you will have to look for Instagram app. And right here it's Instagram, so I will click on it. And after that you'll have to click on storage. Then you'll have to tap on clear cache. Basically it will allow you to have a fresh start. Now you'll have to go back and it will also clear the cache files that are useless and taking the space on your phone. Now scroll down all the way and tap on app details in store. It will take you to Google Play Store, and if it says update you can simply tap on update and update your app to the latest version. But if it says open, your app is already updated to the latest version. I've just updated the app, but in your case it might be update, so you'll have to tap on update to update it to the latest version. And I hope this helped you out. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and like the video. And if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.